Hey guys, Glenn again, back for another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Black & Decker Weed Eater, the 6.5 amp corded version. Alright, you've got the box. Inside was the Weed Eater, the handle, the guard for the bottom, and the manual. This Weed Eater was the easiest thing ever to put together. It took one Phillips screwdriver. All you do is there's a button here and a button here. You push them in and the handle just slides on. That's it. No tools. You come down here on the bottom. This little piece, this screw is in there. You just pull the screw off. This slides in place. It'll click in right here and then you put the screw in. And there was a piece of tape over this. That was it. That easy. Let's talk about some of the features of this. You've got your guard, your string, and you have a wheel to where you can stand it up and cut straight edges, or you can lay it over and fan the edge. You've got an adjustment here which you can loosen up and go in and out for length, which makes it nice. And then there's adjustment on this. You push the button in and you can adjust the handle to wherever you want it, which is really nice. It's real easy to adjust. You just push this single button in, adjust it. See? You can set it wherever you want. Then the cord comes with a little clip. You shove the cord, you plug it in, bring it around, shove it through here, and then it loops behind this little piece here. See, like that? Then you just pull the cord back out, and that keeps your cord from coming unplugged. You just put it in, you can drag it all over the yard and it doesn't come unplugged. Alright, that's all the features. So overall, I would say the Weed Eater's a pretty good value. For the cost of it to what you get, I'm very happy with the Weed Eater. It's great. I've owned gas Weed Eaters that were a lot more expensive, and yes, they worked a lot better. But I think I paid like $49 or $50 for this. For the cost, you can't beat this Weed Eater. It works great. I had bought one at Harbor Freight, a real cheap one. I really like Harbor Freight, but it was only a couple dollars cheaper than this one, and it really did not work. The string wouldn't come out. It didn't work. I took it back, and that's when I purchased this one. The only thing I'm gonna have to learn on this one is the string is self-feeding, and I haven't quite figured out what makes it feed yet. It doesn't feed when I want it to, but it works really good. So in closing, like I say, if you're looking for just a cheap Weed Eater that's electric, I highly recommend it. It works great. Alright, with that, that's the end of the video. If you got out of the video what you needed, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.